Hi guys and gals, Kevin here. I'm going to show you guys how to change the cabin filter on your C6 Corvette. So the cabin filter is located right behind the battery on the passenger side. So basically what it is you have a couple tabs here. You just pop them up. You're going to lift this piece out, which has a couple little clips. That's how it sits in. Place that up there. And here's the cabin filter right there. So if you haven't changed it in a while, it'll be a little hard to get out, but I change mine regularly, so it's pretty clean right now. It's a little dirt in there. Some of them get pretty dirty when people don't change them. So all you do is take it out, grab the new one. It'll have flow direction on it, right? On the box especially. So the charcoal part goes to the bottom, the white part goes to the top. You slide it in. Press it from the sides, each side in. Just keep pushing it. It sits in nicely. You take the piece, you drop it back into the slots, hold it in place. You click down one, click the other clamp down, and that's it. And that's how you change the cabin filter on your C6 Corvette. Hope this helps you out. You just bought a new Corvette off somebody, highly recommend changing it because they probably never did. Okay, hope this helps you guys and gals out. Take care.